My company, Stratforce HR, is developing Matchmaster, an application that helps SMEs and startups in Metro Manila and nearby locations hire trusted professionals, independent contractors, gig workers, freelancers, and even part timers quickly, securely. We solve the slow, risky, and inefficient recruitment with precision AI matching, verified profiles, trusted reputation scoring, and seamless escrow style payments. The timing is right because flexible work is booming after the pandemic, the growth of the gig economy, while small businesses urgently need faster, more trusted hiring tools. I am the right person to build this because of my 26 years of HR leadership, my deep SME network, my fresh perspective from my MBA, and my practical approach to solving business problems. I am looking for early pilot partners, strategic investors, and AI engineering collaborators to scale Matchmaster from MVP to full market launch in 2026.